everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. My channel has been growing very slowly recently and I have been loving it. You guys don't know how much it means to me that you guys are subscribing. So today we are going to be doing a simple set. I'm going to be using the Makartt pump ups again. If you guys saw my last video, I did those chrome nails with these and oh my god, I loved those nails. But I did do a peel off base coat and I'm planning on recording like 2 or 3 videos right now, so I'm just going to be doing peel off base coats. So I already have that on my nails. I already have my nail tips picked out over here to the side. I'm going to apply them with the base coat. It's going to be a very quick set. I'm just kind of freestyling. I don't even know exactly what I want to do yet, but we are just going to apply these tips. So here's what the nails look like after they've been fully cured. Like I said, I use my little snake head lamp. I'll show you guys it right now. It's just, it clamps onto your table. It's a very low wattage, but this just helps me adhere, you know, the tip to my nail. Then I go ahead and pop it into the light once they are all on. Then I cure it for a full 60 seconds. Now what we're going to do is just remove the shine with an arbor band, and we are going to make them a little bit more pointy. They're pretty nicely shaped. I just want them a little bit more sharp. I'm just going to take a manicure brush and I'm going to get some rubbing alcohol and just remove the excess dust from the nails. Just kind of scrub it in. Okay, so the nails are looking like. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply a thin layer of base coat onto all of the nails. I'm going to be applying Macarte Ginger Gel Polish onto all of the nails. And I think I want to try to do some flowers with polish and sprinkle on some acrylic or glitter. So I just went ahead and did these 4 nails off camera. I put 2 coats on and it is a very full coverage polish. I really like this nude on my skin tone, so I'm just going to show you guys doing the 2 coats on my index finger. I just feel like this video would be extra long if I showed you all of them because I like to take my time with gel polish. It's not my favorite, like you guys can see around my cuticle. I couldn't get it that perfect, but anyways, it's a very thick polish, but it's nice. Let me just say that. Hey guys, so I am just recording this voiceover really quick because it got a little noisy in my garage. So as you guys can see, I'm using the Macarte Sprinkles gel polish. I'm using this random pink acrylic that I have. I never really use it. It just came as a free sample with a monomer that I bought. And that's what I'm going to be using to sprinkle over the pink flowers. Now, you guys will see that I put top coat on the rest of the nails. As soon as I finished doing this nail, I realized I was supposed to put top coat on before I did this, so this nail kind of looks matte, but honestly it looked fine to me in the end. It was just 1 nail, plus I had to peel off base coat, so I literally took these off as soon as I was done recording. But anyways, so we're just doing some pink little flowers with a dotting tool. I'm telling you guys, this was so easy to do, and I didn't like follow a tutorial or look up, you know, inspiration photos. I just did this, you know, randomly. So this acrylic powder is super fine, and I kind of was scared that it wasn't going to stick to the polish that well, but it actually did pretty well. And I just dusted off that excess after I cured it, and as you guys can see, that nail looks kind of matte. And now I'm just taking a yellow polish from Model 1s, and that's just going to be the little color on the middle of the flower. And you guys will see I'm just going to be using the Young Nails gel polish top coat and curing that for a full 60 seconds, and then we will continue doing the rest of the flowers. I'm gonna say I really love these full cover nails from Macarte. They're really nice. They are just a little bit high for my nails, the apex part, because my nails are pretty flat, but they still worked pretty well. But this is how the nails came out. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thanks so much for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.